Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study computer science online. First, clearly define your learning objectives, whether it's programming, data science, or web development. Next, explore the vast array of free resources available from top universities, offering foundational knowledge. Then, consider structured online programs for a more guided learning path. Remember to commit a consistent amount of time, perhaps 5 to 10 hours each week, to build a strong, steady learning habit. Once you have your goals set, focus on core computer science concepts. Begin by mastering a foundational programming language such as Python or Java, which are widely applicable. Then, delve into data structures and algorithms. These are essential for efficient problem-solving and software design. Also, gain a solid understanding of operating systems, computer architecture, and networking fundamentals. Practice regularly on interactive coding platforms to solidify your understanding. Theory is important, but practical application is key. Start building small personal projects, even simple ones, to apply what you learn. Consider contributing to open-source projects. This offers invaluable real-world experience and collaboration opportunities. Develop a strong portfolio to showcase your coding skills and completed work to potential employers. Also, actively seek out opportunities to collaborate with other online learners on group coding challenges. Building a network is vital for long-term success. Join online communities and forums to connect with fellow computer science enthusiasts and share knowledge. Participate in coding challenges and hackathons to test your abilities and learn new techniques. Actively seek mentorship from experienced professionals. Their guidance can be incredibly valuable. Finally, prepare thoroughly for technical interviews by practicing common questions and algorithms to secure your desired role.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.